Call it a drill bit blunder. A huge construction drill misses its mark and tunneled right through the sidewalk and almost into an oncoming train, making for quite a headline in the morning papers. Tonight, people are still talking about this close call. CBS 2's Tony Aiello has the story.
Surveillance video shows the drill at the time of the incident. Workers gather to look once they realize something has gone wrong. You can only imagine the sense of relief when they learned the massive spike of metal didn't make a direct hit on the crowded subway car, grazing the exterior.
I would wonder how that happened, who's to blame, why will that happen during such a busy rush hour.
MTA experts wonder too. They visited the F-train tunnel Friday for a closer look at the damage. Subcontractors working for construction giant Tutor Perini were using 10-inch drills to pierce the pavement and mistakenly drilled right into the subway tunnel, grazing the top of a crowded train car and breaking one of its windows. The subway tunnel roof is 15 feet underground, and the MTA says workers should have known to stop well before the drill reached it. The MTA says the train operator heard the drill and came to a stop. The estimated 800 people on board evacuated safely, most not realizing how close their ride came to ending in disaster. This drill was operated by a company called Griffin Dewatering. They have an office in Lodi, New Jersey. I called there this morning. The company had no comment. In addition to MTA experts, a federal workplace safety inspector also visited the scene on Friday. In Long Island City, Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
The construction work is part of the East Side Access Project that will connect the Long Island Railroad to Grand Central Terminal.